Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Good morning. So this is Max & Sons Perfume. Today I decided to clean my perfume collection. So I'm going to walk you through to my small decent collection, and I'm going to discuss with you my top 5 favorite perfume, or the best perfume of all time, at least considered by me. Okay, the top 5 that I really use for all occasions, from number 5 down to number 1. So first I want to show you all the collections that I have. So I have like for now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 bottles. Okay, so first this one we have the Rebel. This is quite good, also good smelling as well. And I have this Dunhill Icon. Then we have the Al Haramain, and we have the Queen Aventus. This is quite expensive. Okay, and we have also the Bulgari Atlantic, the Aqua, and we have the Beckham, okay, by David Beckham. Wait a minute, okay, like this. The camera is not good. Okay, and we have the one of my favorite, Carolina Herrera, and we have also the Asaro Chrome.
Oh my God!
And we have CK1 Shock. Then we have also the Sobats Dior, and we have the Isimi, okay, and we have this Mercedes-Benz Club, and we have on the backs we have the Ford Mustang, and we have the New York Playboy, and we have also this Mercedes-Benz Intense. This is good smelling, guys, really good. And we have the Wanted by Asaro. Oh, this one is really good. It smells just like chocolatey, coffee and chocolatey mixed together. Then we have this. We have the Insurrection by Pure Insurrection 2 by Rayan Tradition Perfumes Paris. Okay, and we have Adonis here. Say hi, Adonis. Say hi. Okay, and I have also collection for women. I have these. I have also the, let me put here for women. I have the J-Lo by the J-Lo and I have Beyonce, Hit by Beyonce. Okay, alright, so these are my decent collection, as you can see. Alright, that is Adonis over there, my cat, my very good cat, Adonis. No, baby, don't do that. Okay, and this is Tease. Okay, like this. So I'm going to put it this way so that you can see it good. Alright, so that you see it clearly. Okay, like this. So these are my decent collection for now, but I already had an order coming from New York, and it will be arriving soon. Maybe when I order from New York, it will be arrived because it's pandemic, so it takes longer than usual. So it usually arrive around if I say, for instance, if I order today is September 26, so it's almost 1 month, so it will be arrive on October 26, but sometimes it will arrive early because of some restrictions. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you my top 5 best perfume of all time. Okay, for me, at least for me. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you number 5 for me. My best perfume for all time is this one, Mercedes-Benz Intense. Okay, this is Mercedes-Benz Club. So this is quite really good smelling also, and it lasts into your skin it lasts forever. It lasts 12 hours. Then that's number 5, that Mercedes-Benz Club. Okay, and coming at number 2, number 2 damn ass. Okay, coming at number 4, we have the AC Miyake. Okay, we have the AC Miyake. This is fresh, smelling good all the time, and it will never let you down. And coming at number 3 for me, okay, is the Carolina Herrera. Okay, it's really good. This is really good. Okay, look at. Okay, and coming at number 2, we have the Suffused UD toilet. UD Parfum. Suffused UD Parfum. So it never gets out of time. It really smells good. But if you prefer to smell different, I suggest you not using this one. Okay, it's better for you to use another one. Okay, and this one also coming at number 1, the Creed Aventus. So this is Creed Aventus. All right. Okay. So these are my top 5 favorite or best perfume of all time. For me, at least for me. Okay, in my collection. Okay, in my collection. So it may vary from another person's collection also. So it might not the same, or it's different from time to time. Don't do that. Okay, so once again we have I want to recap. Okay, at number 5, my top 5 perfume collection of all time, we have number 5 at Mercedes-Benz Club. Okay, this one. And we have the number 4, the AC Miyake. Okay, this one, AC Miyake. And we have the number 3, the 212 by Carolina Herrera. Okay, so this is a tester bottle, guys. As you can see, this is a tester bottle. It's quite really good bottle also. And coming at number 2, we have the Suffused. Okay, we have Suffused. And coming at number 1, we have the Creed Aventus. Okay, this is my all-time favorite. This is quite expensive, guys. So this is around if you are lucky enough, you can buy it from Amazon, like $200 to $300. This one. But if you are not, if you have discount coupons and the sort, you can just buy it anywhere. But I suggest you to buy it if you want a legit bottle like this. You need to buy it on the legitimate stores from Creed or any online stores that is legitimate. So this is my collection that today I just cleaned it, and I just had a quick video on my little but decent collection of mine. Alright, so once again, this is Max and Sons Perfume, and if you like the video, put a like, share it, and give me comments of what are the things that you want to, topic I should say, that you want to discuss. Then I will make a video for you, or I will discuss it for you, or any unboxing of perfume that you want, you can just comment down the comment section. Okay, so once again, this is Max and Sons Perfume, and alright, have a good one, guys. And this is Adonis. Okay, alright, bye bye, see you.
Thank you for watching Max and Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.